Friends, welcome to Prakash Tarot Card Reader. Thanks for taking your time out and watching the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Copa America Football Tournament 2021. It will be starting from 13th of June in Brazil. It has been shifted from Argentina and Colombia to Brazil because of COVID concerns. Now, I had already predicted about Euro 2021. Now, again, I am daring to predict on a football tournament. Copa America 2021. Who will win? So, first prediction is about group stages and knockouts of for both teams from both the groups, and then last, who has the best chance to win this Copa America 2021. So, first Group A: Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador, Peru and Venezuela. These are the 5 teams in Group A. So in group stages, looks like Colombia will do well, very well, and Peru will be a surprise package. Brazil again will do well, but yes, these 3 teams are more likely to do better than other teams in Group A. Brazil, Colombia and Peru. Other 2 teams, Ecuador and Venezuela, not so good. And one team which may not move to second round knockouts looks like Ecuador. Then in knockouts, how will be the performance? Brazil, very good. If Venezuela reaches knockouts, they will again do well. But yes, Peru again, they will show great potential in knockouts. And Colombia, their performance will not up to their real potential in knockouts. So now let's check for Group B. Who all are who will do well in group stages and in knockouts. Group B now. Group B involves Argentina, Bolivia, Chile, Paraguay and Uruguay. Now, how will be the performance of the teams in group stages and knockouts? Group stages and knockouts. So, here, Argentina, challenging. It will not be easy, but still they will manage to be at the top of the group. Ace of Swords, clear indication. Challenging, but they will come out as winner. Bolivia, their performance will be good. Bolivian team will do well. Chile, now they will not do well in group stages. They might be the 5th team in the group. Then Paraguay. Now Ace of Cups for Paraguay. So they will qualify for the knockouts. Uruguay, certainly they will qualify for the knockouts. Now, in knockouts, how will be the performance? Again, Ace of Wands for Argentina, certainly doing well in knockouts. High Priestess for Bolivia, again, they will do well. Paraguay and Uruguay, they will struggle. Uruguay will compete, but they will fall behind. Paraguay, disaster. So, looks like Bolivia and Argentina advancing towards semi-final from Group B. Now let's check for who will win Copa America 2021. Friends, now looking at the cards for both the groups. In Group A, I saw Brazil doing very well, but even other two teams will reach knockouts. In fact, total 4 teams are going to reach in the knockouts, but other two teams like Colombia and Peru will also do well. Then in Group B, Argentina will do well. So I decided to do out of Brazil and Argentina who will win Copa America 2021. I don't rule out other team to win, but looking at the cards, I had a strong feeling that out of these two teams, Brazil and Argentina, one will be the winner of Copa America 2021. So decided to take out cards for only these two teams. So what the cards suggest? Now Brazil, if it reaches semi-final, or if Brazil wins semi-final and reaches final, then Brazil will win King of Cups. But their main problem will be Empress card suggest peaking into their game earlier. On the other hand, Argentina, smoothly they will clear semi-final. High chances of them playing final. All they need to do is to make certain adjustments in their game. And this card clearly suggests that, look at this lady sitting on throne, both side lions, shows strength. She is an action woman. Looks like Argentina will win Copa America 2021 football tournament. Looking at cards, here no teams are my personal favorite. All are same. I love South American football. I love all the players. So no team is my personal favorite. Just by looking at cards, I can say that for Argentina, cards are much stronger in comparison to Brazil. And only these are the two teams which, looking at the cards, looks like winning the cup or reaching the finals. So let's see what happens. Thank you. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.